Now, there's always a buzz when new aircraft roll into the disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales, and this week's round of aircraft is no different. Now, their flying days might be over, but they're going to donate a lifetime of parts that will keep the fleet flying all over the world. From the Beechcraft Baron 58 to the Mooney Ovation to a couple of really good-looking Piper aircraft, the shop is full, the mechanics are wrenching, and we've got parts available. Now, have you ever seen a convertible Beechcraft Baron 58? Neither have we. This aircraft was wrecked in a tornado, and mechanic Bryce over here had to cut the roof off just to get inside the aircraft to recover all the goodies. Now, it's got lots of goodies. Landing gear, avionics, lots of control systems. Rods and visors in this aircraft were even in good shape. We're gonna get lots of good parts from this Beech 58, and they'll be available soon. Next up, we have this Mooney M20R Ovation. Now, this aircraft is known for its sleek speed, but this one had actually a cabin door pop open during flight, caused a huge distraction, and then the pilot made a pretty rough landing that sends it to the disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales. Now, we're gonna get lots of goodies from this aircraft. The engine, the Continental IO 550 engine, is actually in fantastic shape. It's got lots of great avionics, so if you need Mooney M20R Ovation parts, call us soon. Now, over here we have a Piper PA-34-220T that makes it a Seneca 5. Now, this aircraft is known for its turbocharged counter-rotating engines, which makes it easy to handle. This aircraft had, again, that classic gear-up landing, which sends it to the disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales. Now, we're going to get lots of goodies from this aircraft. We'll recover both TSIO 360 engines, Macaulay props, Garmin and Avidyne avionics, plus a full suite of radios and audio panels. The interior's in great shape, lots of good control surfaces, and Seneca operators already know the good stuff goes fast. Get in touch if we can help. And finally, we have this Piper PA-44 Seminole. Now, this is a twin-engine aircraft trusted by flight schools everywhere. This aircraft had that classic gear up on rollout that sends it to the disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales. We're already disassembling this aircraft. We're getting all the good stuff. The engine's in great shape. Lots of Garmin avionics, including a Garmin G5. The transponder's in great shape. The interior's in great shape. The control surfaces are in great shape. If you need Seminole parts, we've got them. From business twins to training workhorses, every aircraft in the BAS disassembly shop gives life to other aircraft in the fleet. We will sell parts from these airplanes all over the world. The good stuff goes fast. If you see something you need, you should reach out in a hurry. BAS Part Sales has the parts you need.